Welcome to Programming Hustle. I'm Nenad and you're watching episode number 8 of Unreal Engine 4 C++ tutorial series. Today we're going through actors rotation and we're going to do some cool things such as opening a door, rotating objects, and etc. I hope that you will enjoy, so without further ado, let's get started. In this episode, we are going to learn how to open a door, and we are going to use FRotator for that. So FRotator, it is a C++ struct, and it is a container for rotation information of an actor. We put rotation information inside of FRotator. All rotation values are stored in degrees, and FRotator has variables roll, pitch, and yaw. So right now we are in Unreal Editor, and what I want to do is I want to create a wall here and a door, and when we hit this play button, door opens. So first of all, let's start by putting a wall here. So click on content, starter content, architecture, and we cannot just put any wall here. We need to put wall door because this wall has a place for door. Okay, so I'll rotate this for 90 degrees. I mean, it's pretty simple. You can do it yourself. I won't really look. Oh, what the hell am I doing? Okay, so I won't really try to make this beautiful and perfect because I'll just try to explain how to code this. Okay, so material, I think it's clay, new. Yes, I think it is. Okay, and now basically here we cannot put a door. We need to have a frame for a door. Prop frame. Well, you actually can do it without frame, but let's at least try to make it decent looking. Okay, so one good way of doing this would be to here and then click on door and add component, new C++ component. But we haven't yet covered components, so we have to do it in a good old-fashioned way by creating a new class, adding static mesh component, and so let's actually create that class. So C++ classes, tutorial 01, new C++ class, actor, and we will say door here. Name is door, so create class. So here is our new door.cpp, well, door class, and we got cpp and h file. So let's put this door here, find it in word outliner, add component, static mesh, and let's choose door. Alright, door, and let's place this door. Oop. What the hell, man. Let's place this door right where it belongs. Alright, now it's great time for me to... Alright, now it's great time for pitch, roll, and yaw overview. So click on this select and rotate objects button, or just E key on your keyboard, and as you can see, these lines, I will call them. Okay, so first of all, red line is, well, lightning is messed up a little bit here. Okay, red line. So red line, as you can see, roll. So this is rolling. Let me come here. Green line, pitch value. So this is pitch value. We're changing pitch value. And finally, yaw is blue, as you can see. So this, what we're doing right now, this here is yaw. So we're changing yaw value. So in order to open this door, what do we have to change? What do you think? Of course, it is yaw value. So what can we do? Well, we need to increase yaw value, for example. Okay, so for example, it can be for 90 degrees. This looks pretty decent. So how do we do that? Well, let's get into our door.cpp class. Okay, so we can write code in begin play function. Well, we sort of will, but I wanted to show you how you can do... Well, I want to show you how you can write pretty clean code with methods. Well, as you can see, as you already probably know, this is a method, this tick is a method, begin play is a method. So what I want to do is to create a new method, and in that method we will open a door. So first we need to declare our method. So let's say private here, private keyword, Okay, opens the door. So let's actually write a comment here. So this is how you write comments. Let's say opens the door. So this method below will open the door. Okay, so since this method will only open the door, it should be void. So void means that it doesn't return anything. Let's call this function open door. And now what we could do is go to cpp file and now type here void open door void a door 2 colons and blah blah blah. But you could actually just right click quick action and refactoring. You can just right click quick actions, create a definition of open door in door.cpp, and now go to cpp, and as you can see here it is. Now here we write definition. What will our function do? What it is supposed to do? So we want to increase yaw value for 90 degrees, for 90 actually. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, we need to get a current location of this actor. We need to get this. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, we need to get a current rotation of this actor. So we need to get these values. Right now they are all 0, but sometimes maybe they won't be. So how do we do that? Well, by using method called getActorRotation. But we need to store that method in, guess what? FRotator. So FRotator, let's call this rotator new rotation equals to getActorRotation. So as I said, we need to increase yaw value for 90 degrees. So new rotation. Here you got, you know that you got roll, pitch, and yaw value. You already know that, and we need to increase yaw. So yaw plus equals 90f. So yaw plus equals 90.f. And now we actually need to set actor rotation. So set actor rotation, new rotation. Alright, now what this will do, it will, now with this, we won't actually see door gradually opening like this. It will just be boom, it will just be, let me show you, boom, it's open, boom, it's closed. And in some of the next episodes, we will see how we can actually gradually open door so that it has, like, you know, animation. How we can actually gradually open this door. And in some of the next episodes, we will actually see how we can actually gradually open this door. So that opening door duration is, let's say, 2 seconds. Alright, so we wrote set actor rotation. And everything is fine. We just need to put this function in begin play like this. And why do we do that? Well, this function is called, this method is called, I mean, method and functions are same. Okay, method, function is other name for method. So this method is called when the game starts or when object is spawned. So compiler so when the game starts, compiler will come here and it will see open door and it will go right here and execute these commands. So let's test this. Control F5. Make sure you save in Unreal before doing this. Alright, so now when I hit that play button, boom, door is opened. When I stop, it's closed. So exercise. Now open the door other way around. What I mean is, right now door is opening like this, but try to open door like this. And let me just show you one good practice. So go in door.h file and create a variable that's constant. So const, that means that we won't be able to change this variable ever. So const float open door full, for example, and equals to 90.f. Now we are not able to change this variable in code anywhere. Go to door cpp and replace this 90.f with open door full. Now whoever sees your code, he will know that here you are opening a door for 90 degrees. Thank you for choosing this tutorial. Have a great day and goodbye.